Now let us look at this another problem which is based on point of application of force and line of action in moment of force. There is a body which is a roller. It has to be lifted on plane XY. This is your plane XY. It has to be lifted. The diameter is 0.4 meter. Force which we are applying here is 10 Newton. One is F1 and this is F2, and F1 is equal to F2 is equal to 10 Newton, which is equal to F. Now they want us to find the ratio of the torques caused by forces F1 and F torque is equal to F into D. Firstly, we have to understand where is the pivot. Many students take the pivot to be this point. It is incorrect. The ball or the roller is going to roll about this point. This is the point about which it is going to have a rotational motion. So your pivot is X, not this point. It is a common mistake that children make when they are trying to identify the pivot. Pivot is a point which is fixed point about which a body rotates. Body will rotate about this point to be lifted. What is the line of action of force F2? This is the line of action of force F2. And what? Let us calculate the distance from the pivot. The distance of F1 from pivot is, this is X, and this is your F1's line of action. The shortest distance is this because these are perpendiculars. So 0.4 meter. We are using a circle property. These are all tangential lines. So the radius of a circle at that point will be tangential to it, which means it will be at 90 degree. Now coming to F2. F2's line of action is, this is the line of action and this is by pivot. So the shortest distance here is going to be this, which is nothing but the radius of the circle, which is nothing but the 0.4 upon 2, which is 0.2 meter, isn't it? Radius will be half of diameter. So torque due to F1 will be how much? F1, which is 10 Newton, into distance from the pivot, which is 0.4 meter. So this is going to be 4 Newton meter, and torque due to F2 will be 10 into, what is the shortest distance or the perpendicular distance? 0.2 meter. That will be 2 Newton meter. Whenever they ask you to compare two quantities, that means they want the ratio of the quantities. Torque due to F1 upon torque due to F2, 4 Newton meter upon 2 Newton meter. Ratios are always between the same units and they are dimensionless. That means they are unitless. Also cut this. This will be 2 upon 1. So what is the ratio? 2:1. This will be your final answer.